The future of work is already here, and it's about to thin out a lot of job listings. Automation and AI are speeding up fast, and this time, it's not just factory jobs. In this video, you'll read about 19 jobs that might be gone in a few years. Not to scare you, just to show what's coming, so you can stay ahead of it. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. The automation wave is accelerating. Here's the scale of what's coming. By 2030, Gen AI could automate up to 70% of business tasks. That means big changes across industries, and a lot of work once done by humans handled by software and machines instead. Manufacturing jobs at risk. Assembly line workers. Assembly lines are already packed with machines that work faster, longer, and cheaper than people. This shift is only gaining speed. McKinsey estimates that up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be displaced by automation by 2030, and manufacturing is at the top of that list. Manufacturing jobs at risk. Production line. You don't just need fewer workers on the line, you also need fewer people watching the line. AI now monitors production in real time, catches errors, and can even correct problems on the fly. Supervisory roles that used to be essential are starting to look optional. Retail jobs at risk. Cashiers. Self-checkout is everywhere now, and it's not slowing down. Projections show that by 2030, more than 24,000 stores will offer self-checkout, cutting deep into cashier jobs. For stores, it's simple math: less payroll, more speed, fewer headaches. Retail jobs at risk. Stock clerks. Clerks retail isn't just changing at the register. Robots and AI-driven systems are taking over the back of the house, too. Automated inventory tracking, smart restocking, and warehouse bots are replacing a lot of what stock clerks used to do. And that means fewer shifts to go around. Transportation jobs at risk. Taxi drivers. Taxi drivers already took a hit when Uber and Lyft showed up. Now the next threat is coming in fast: self-driving cars. Once the tech is proven safe enough, expect fewer drivers and more autonomous fleets on the streets. Transportation jobs at risk. Truck drivers. Self-driving trucks are already logging serious miles in test programs. The goal? Run longer hauls without a driver behind the wheel. Once that's dialed in, a huge share of long-haul trucking jobs could vanish, and sooner than many expect. Data jobs at risk. Data entry clerks. Machines can read forms faster than any human can type. With OCR and AI tools handling everything from invoices to scanned documents, companies are quietly phasing out manual data entry. If your job is punching in numbers, the writing's already on the wall. Accounting jobs at risk. Bookkeeping clerks and accounting assistants. Accounting software keeps getting smarter. Today's tools can track transactions, flag errors, and even generate reports with little to no human oversight. The routine parts of bookkeeping are being automated out of existence. Customer service jobs at risk. Telemarketers. Projections indicate that by 2029, agentic AI will autonomously resolve 80% of common customer service issues without human intervention. The same tech that can answer questions can also handle outbound calls. That means fewer headsets and far fewer telemarketers on the payroll. Financial jobs at risk. Loan officers. AI already reviews credit scores, income, and risk profiles in seconds, and often more accurately than a human. As more lenders adopt automated systems, the need for traditional loan officers, especially in consumer lending, is shrinking fast. Banking jobs at risk. Bank tellers. Mobile apps and online banking have turned routine transactions into self-service tasks. In-person teller visits keep dropping every year, and so do teller jobs. If you're cashing checks in a branch, you're working in a role that's fading. Postal jobs at risk. Postal workers. The mail you used to find in your box every day is now mostly online. As more services and communication shift to digital, fewer hands are needed to move fewer letters. For many postal workers, automation is already trimming shifts and routes. Food service jobs at risk. Fast food workers. Touchscreens take orders. Robots can flip burgers and prep fries. Many fast food chains are now testing fully automated kitchens. And in time, the number of human workers behind the counter will shrink to a skeleton crew. Travel jobs at risk, travel agents. The days of booking through a human agent are mostly gone. AI travel tools can now plan trips, compare prices, and adjust itineraries on the fly. For many travelers, clicking a few buttons replaces calling an agent entirely. Insurance jobs at risk. Insurance underwriters. AI doesn't just crunch numbers. It evaluates risk better than most humans can. Machine learning models already assess applications, price premiums, and flag suspicious claims. The traditional underwriter's desk is getting emptier. Security jobs at risk. Security guards. AI-powered surveillance can monitor entire facilities without blinking. Smart cameras now detect unusual behavior and send instant alerts, reducing the need for human guards. While some high-risk sites will still need people, many won't. Media jobs at risk. Newspaper delivery workers. Print circulation keeps falling year after year. More readers are getting their news online, leaving fewer papers to deliver. As the print side fades, so will the demand for delivery routes. Textile jobs at risk. Textile cutting machine operators. Laser cutting systems can handle intricate patterns faster than manual operators ever could. Many factories are swapping out human-controlled machines for fully automated setups. Once precision gets paired with speed, there's no going back. Tech jobs at risk, programmers. AI can now write, test, and optimize code faster than junior developers. While high-level engineers won't be replaced soon, routine programming tasks are on the chopping block. For many entry-level coders, the competition now includes machines, jobs at risk, and how to stay ahead. The automation wave won't pause. Jobs that stay safe will be the ones that lean on human judgment, creativity, and adaptability. The smart move is to build skills machines can't easily copy. The future belongs to those who keep learning. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.